Here on the Wix editor, you want to click on the specific strip that you want to delete. Click on a few times until this word strip is appear. And then on top of the strip, you want to do a right click and then hit on delete. There you go. Or you can also use your keyboard by choosing again on the strip and then click on delete key on your keyboard. There you go. As you can see, after you delete the strip, there will be a blank page right here that we can call it as a section. Here on section untitled. And then to get rid of the section, so there are no blank page after deleting the strip, you want to click on the specific section until the section name is appear. And then on top of the section, just do a right click and then hit on delete again. There you go. Or you can also use your keyboard by clicking again on the specific section and then hit on delete key on your keyboard. There you go. Or if you want to remove the strip right here, the background of the strip, but you want to keep the element or content on that strip, then you want to click and hold on your mouse or trackpad and then start to drag all of the element on that strip. There you go. And then if you can, just click on the group element to make it easy when you're dragging your elements. Here you can drag the specific element that you want to save to go out of that specific strip. For example, I want to move it to the top. And there you go. Keep in mind that you want to make this group element to stay out of the specific strip that you want to delete. Otherwise, your content will be deleted too. And on the specific strip, just click a few times until the strip name is appear and then hit on delete key. There you go. After that, you can just drag again all of your element that you are saving before. Just drag it again to where it placed before. And there you go. And that's how to delete strip or remove a strip but keep the elements and then leave no blank page after deleting the strip. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.